I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by mapping the IAIMs BSc Nursing Physics syllabus and weightage, listing chapters and expected marks per unit so you allocate time correctly. Prioritize classical mechanics, optics, thermodynamics, and electromagnetism while noting common question patterns and recurring subtopics. Memorize C units, important constants, and key formulas such as F equals ma, V equals and the lens formula. Create a one-page formula sheet for quick review. Set a realistic weekly schedule that mixes reading, problem-solving, and revision blocks to cover all topics before mock tests. Solve concept-based problems first, then move to numerical practice and time-limited drills. This builds intuition and accuracy for applied IAIMS questions. Aim for 40-60 targeted problems weekly from each major unit and time 2-hour full-length mocks to simulate exam pressure. Analyze mistakes after every session, note recurring errors, and redo weak topic problems until mastered to convert errors into strengths. Use stepwise solutions when stuck. Write units and significant figures clearly, and practice handwriting physics derivations and diagrams to save time on test day. Use one trusted textbook, one concise note source, video tutorials for tough topics, and the past 10 years of IAIMS BSc Nursing papers to understand patterns and difficulty. Use a dedicated formula sheet and flashcards. Review formulas daily for 30-45 minutes in the last month and take 3 full mocks weekly to track progress. On exam day, manage time by sections, answer easy questions first, mark uncertain ones for review. Avoid introducing new topics in the last 2 weeks, and ensure proper sleep and nutrition before the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.